2 days prior to the procurement closure date, Lockheed Martin Canada has confirmed delivery of the proposal for the Canadian Surface Combatant program, signifying that the acquisition has moved to the next critical phase. BAE Systems, CAE, Lockheed Martin Canada, L3 Technologies, MDA and Ultra Electronics are partnering as Canada's combat ship team for the Royal Canadian Navy's future fleet of surface combatants. Canada's combat ship team is offering the most advanced and modern warship design, the Type 26 Global Combat Ship, with high-tech platform innovations from prominent Canadian companies. The solution includes the internationally renowned Canadian-developed Combat Management System, CMS 330. Canada's combat ship team's approach to the CSC project exclusively parallels the Canadian government's defence policy, which is the foundation for the offering: strong, secure, and engaged. Strong. Canada's combat ship team's approach to the strategic objective strong is to provide the right ship for the Royal Canadian Navy that surpasses baseline requirements with minimal change. This solution represents the lowest development risk and is underpinned by Canadian doctrine, interoperability with Five Eyes nations and other NATO allies, ability to achieve safety certification and security accreditation, ease of operation, maintenance and sustainment, and ease of upgradability to address future capabilities. Under the pillar of secure, Canada's combat ship team's offering focuses on ensuring successful program execution by bringing together a pan-Canadian team who have proven, demonstrated and current pedigree in performing complex defence contracts in Canada, who have well-established infrastructure, employees, security clearances and facilities in place today, who have demonstrated their commitment and reliability to successfully execute the project by their substantial investments in CSC and in meeting all procurement deadlines, and therefore who are poised to perform the CSC program, ready on day one. Engaged. Embodied throughout Canada's combat ship team's offering is our multifaceted approach to achieving the strategic pillar engaged. The underlying principles implemented focus on partnership with all stakeholders and, equally important, maintaining sovereignty of the CSC solution in Canada, which can only be achieved by having the solution and capability developed at home by Canadians. Canada's combat ship team is living proof that capability investments made in Canada result in sustained jobs not only through long-term sustainment of its system and products, but also extend to exports which leverage Canada's investments to other nations, adding more jobs to Canadian industry. This team recognizes the significant benefits that Canada will receive with the implementation of Canada's combat ship team's strategic objective to bring the jobs home to Canada and therefore collectively become the home team. The Type 26 Global Combat Ship is a flexible, next-generation warship design which offers a low-risk and affordable solution for the Canadian Surface Combatant program. With the UK Type 26 program running ahead of CSC, our Canadian ship will benefit from lessons learned on the UK program. This schedule also allows Type 26 the opportunity to be the most advanced Canadian surface combatant. Canadian companies such as W.R. Davis Engineering in Ottawa, Rolls-Royce in Peterborough and L3 Maps in Montreal have already begun work on delivering high-technology systems for the UK's Type 26, demonstrating the skills and capability available from the Canadian supply chain. Anne Healy, Country Director, Canada, BAE Systems.